Okay, now let's go to which is blend shape. This option allow you to blend shape key to another shape key. Okay, let's say example, the basis. Let me show you how it works. I have this character that have shape key of small left, but you can see the small left move, the strength is very high. I want 0.5, okay, or this to be the normal small, which is the value of 1. Okay, this is how we can use it. Let's say this one is 1. Okay, so this is how it works. Click on apply blend shape, and here I'm going to make sure the shape key you want to work on it has been selected. Okay, so I want to apply or blend it with to the base shape key. If you click on it, all the shape keys you have will be listed here. So here I'm going to blend it to the basis, and the blend here you can choose the value from -1 to 1. Okay, and here vertex group. When you go to vertex group selecting mode, we have use vertex group. If you use vertex group, that we are referring to here. And also when you click on here, it has list all your vertex group for this character. Okay, all the vertex group that have been listed here will be here. So here, let's say I want to choose all vertex. When I choose all the vertex, I'm referring to the character. When you go to edit mode, you press A, this is the all vertex. Okay, but when you choose selected vertex, that you are referring to this, the vertex you have been selected in edit mode. Okay, this is the selected vertex. And if you use vertex group, that you are referring to this. Let's say highlight top 202, and this one, when I choose that one, highlight top 2R. So let me select, that means I'm referring to this one. There is the highlight. So here you can just select it and mark it, so it can be listed to from here, and you can select it and apply it to it. But here I'm going to choose all the vertices. When I choose all the vertices, it will automatically select all the vertices and apply to all that vertices. Okay, so let me back to object mode and show you how it works. So here I choose all the vertices. Okay, all the vertices, and I'm going to apply I'm going to blend it to the basis by 0.5. That I'm going to reduce this by 50%. Okay, so hit OK. Now you can see it has reduced, while we have the main as 0, the mass as 1, and the value is 1. So this is going to be the 1. Okay, for the shape key. So this is how it works. Okay, let me show you this one. You can also use to increase the strength. Let's say you want to increase the strength, you can go to apply, and this one we are not going to use add. You're going to, and let me decrease the strength. Okay, so this, or you can this, so you can see the strength has been increased. So that's how it works. You can decrease it by choosing add and the value you want, and then it can decrease for you. So that's how this one works. Let's go to the bank, right? Okay, so let's say you have created a shape key, and that shape key, making the shape key will accidentally affect another part you don't want it to affect. Let's say this one, when I insert the value, you can see the eyes or the ears is also moving. So I want to remove that part from this blank, right? So this is how I have to do it. Let's go to edit mode, and here I want to go to wireframe. I'm going to select that part I don't want to affect. Okay, you have to select that part, and here, okay, so let me go here. So I want to remove that part. So I have selected that part. I can go back to object mode, or you can do it in edit mode. So let's go to apply, and here I'm going to select I'm going to choose selected vertex. Okay, and here I'm going to add it to the basis by 1%. 1, okay, that's 100%. So hit OK, and now you can see it has removed that part from it. So I can set the value, and you can see now the ears is not affecting it. Okay, it's not moving again. So this is how the add-on work. Okay, the blend shape work. You can use to remove part of the of the mesh from a particular shape key. Okay, so that's it.